Good morning, everyone. Let's start with Euro for now. Euro looks like it's kind of done here after NFP and like everything. I do believe that we will tag this trend line here below, but my thought is that let me see where is that chart. I can't find it. Whatever. Either way, um, the whole point is that we are at the lows here. It kind of like confluences with the 400, 400, 200 4 hour moving average. And it will probably swing fail, come back, retrace a bit, and then come down again all the way here. All this void here, all this shit here needs to be filled. So I think the move will be very sharp and aggressive to the downside. Probably we will see the first leg here, and that's our first target here, and then our second target will be this one here. Um, I do believe that we will see probably not parity again, but I mean we'll have to see how the data comes out. If inflation remains sticky in the US, expect for more hikes, to be honest, because then the market will price in some new hikes. These moves, like they were so overextended against the dollar. It makes sense because now this is a trader's market, right? Lot of volatility because there is low liquidity in the market. Um, just so you know, I have shorts all the way from here to here, and this is my swing strategy that I will hold all the way here. It's a lot of trades, small trades, right, that accumulate into this region here and then come down. I get paid to hold this, so I don't have any issue to hold the trades so far. Um, so basically, this is what I'm having. This is just a swing strategy, basically. This is for my swing account. Um, as for short-term trades, I don't have anything, right? So if you can, like, like this, if you think it's just a 3R trade, but like my biggest position is from here, right? So if when it comes down, the based on everything that I calculated, I will make a 5% out of it, basically. When it reaches here, that's my 5%. Okay. Um, not much to say except okay, we kind of like broke some lines here, right? This one is broken. Not much here. Um, I would like to see some sort of pullback. Then I'll probably look for a short like this if we get back here. Okay, this will be my short depending on how the price action reacts, and this will be my trade here. Really, not much to do except being patient, right? So the Australian dollar. Uh, uh, I didn't take this trade, but I think it was put here, uh, and I would have been stopped. Let me see. Sometimes, like someone asks me, like, why do you put your stop losses like that? Because you need some room to breathe for the trade. So let's see. Just one pip. That would have been awful. But probably I would got back into the trade. Let's write here that we missed this one. Basically, everything that I only managed to get on Friday at the PC, so I only had the chance to get some euro and some Japanese yen. Um, those were my trades, mainly because my son was sick the whole week, and I had to take care of him, right? So, unfortunately, it is what it is, and it's okay if you miss opportunities. No problem. There is always another opportunity. You only have to wait for it. Okay. That's with the Australian dollar. A really nice rally up, and it's time for it to come down. Let's take a look at this. This is where basically I'm still in this trade, right? So I just want it all the way here. And I will show you that I have the positions. I have two positions, one that I bought from here and one that I bought from in around this area. So let me see if I can share it, right? Like this. So you can see the positions here. Sometimes I will show you the positions just so I can make sure you believe me. But if I know some people are skeptics, probably this will get filled. I'm gonna look to add to my longs from here from 130.650. But otherwise, if it just keeps on continuing pump, I have no problem. I mean, the rate differentials between the US and Japan are still huge, right? So probably it will come and retest this trend line. Probably or probably it won't, right? We'll have to see. I'm just gonna wait for the market to open. I will probably take some small profits in around here, like start to kind of trim the positions, and I'll look to add on the pullback. Let's see what else. The British pound, I haven't looked at this. So, this was like, sorry for the drawings here. Um, this was something that I was showing to a friend. We have a nice clear double top here. That's a nice rally. Needs to be filled here. I think here, um, this is where I got stopped. I could have been a bit more patient, like 1, 2, 3, 4 days more patient. You don't always get what you want. This is where I got a big position and I got stopped. But here I reshorted the top here, and again I have positions like the same as the euro. Um, like let me show you. It's basically small positions that I have, and they have no stop losses or take profit. It's because when I trade this kind of swing strategy, I don't use it, but it's small positions that they just add up, right? So same for the euro. I'll show you. See euro. So as you can see, but this is from my swing account, okay? So this is two different. I use different strategies for different time frames, and for my day trading, I use different strategies, a different strategy, and for the swing one, I use a different one. You may see all these positions like IDCA into it, but basically they're not big positions. So the biggest position I have on these for euro is 0.20 lots, but the rest of them are like 0.05 or 0.03. It's just so I can manage the drawdown, right? I will close the positions when I don't feel comfortable. That's it. And if I need to trim the positions, no problem. I'll just take some profits and that's it. Um, that's how I manage the risk on the swing account. And probably people will say, well, you don't have a stop loss, anything can happen. I do agree with that, but the risk, like even here, right? If I see it, I know that I will close my positions here because that's when I will not feel good about it. If it happens when I'm asleep, well, I will take a bigger loss than expected, but it's okay. You can always win it back, right? Uh, and like the accumulated positions will never exceed more than 2.5%, right? So if I get more than 2.5%, I will just close the positions. That's it. And even if they pop higher, let's say, something weird happens, if I lose 5%, it's okay, because last year I made some really, really, really good gains, and basically I'm in good money, I'm in good cash. I'm planning to buy more crypto, so no stress with that. Gold, this looks like nice. Let's see if we can close under here, and then we will look for shorts all the way here. But I think we've talked about gold, and I said like it's gonna top in around here, and then this is where we look for longs. Silver, same. Like if it comes retests this box here, I'll be looking for shorts. Let's put an alert. So it looks very clear to me, so that's nice. It's double bottom here. Come back, retest this like this, right? Probably, and then like that. Yeah, let's take a look at indices real quick. I do have this short on S&P, really nice short. Um it's two positions that I have, um, because I will take um, some profits um, in around where we have our target here. Um, so I don't have any take profit on this, but still, this is the position, right? And I have another one that's bought from a bit higher. Same stuff, okay? This is what we looked for, and this is what we got. I do believe that there is a major correction. I don't know if this is a bear market rally. That's what you have to take into consideration. Because if this was a bear market rally, then we'll definitely see back the lows here, 3,500. Everyone is so bullish on this that will make me bearish. Just because we broke this trend line, it doesn't mean anything. Remember these black swans that we wrote at the beginning of the year, right? China invading Taiwan, that's, you never know, but it can happen. Definitely, I don't see a soft landing for the Fed. Underestimating the power of the US consumer and the euro, if the trader, if the weather gets bad, um, we will definitely see natural gas prices spike because there will be demand for it. So that's it for now. If you have questions, please let me know. Have a great week. Um, this is where I got stopped on this position, by the way. I haven't shown you this. Um, it just swept me here. This move was very aggressive, but it would have been a nice trade so far. Probably would have taken profits when I would see it. So it will be like this. 6 star trade. Nice trade so far. So um, that's it for now. Let me know if you have questions. And by the way, I will start my FX book account with 1K. The reason for one, I will put 1K in crypto and 1K in FX. The main reason is because most of the people don't even have 1K laying around, and I would like to show you, how you can grow a small account. And basically, it's for the little guys. Just build a small account and then probably get funded and all that kind of crap. If you want to get funded, I think you should start learning to trade your own account first and manage the drawdown and everything, and then you can take a look at um, what do you say? What do you call? You can take a look at getting funded. Also, I will do this for transparency reasons because most of the people out there, they will just give you free stuff and they don't trade the trades, they don't use their money, and you get scammed and stuff like that. I don't want to scam you. I just want you to learn from me. And if you like what I do, maybe uh, join, uh, the Discord group and stuff. The only reason why I do this is because I've been there, and if I can help people, skip some stages of trading, then that would be awesome. Um, I don't have anything to gain from this, um, except being fully transparent. Obviously, the you know I'm looking to make money, and if I can share with everyone how to make money and teach them, that would be great. It makes me feel good, and that's it. Uh, it's just, I've been struggling a lot of years, to get it done right. So why not help people if I can? So that's it for the day. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me anything, and we can take it from there.